Welcome guys, my name is Abdel Habibullah. In this channel, I share helpful tips on how to make money online legitimately, and likewise if you are a business owner, I share helpful tips on how to scale up your business so that you are going to make more profit from your business. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make USDT. Okay, how to make USDT. If you are the type that you love playing games, I will advise you to watch this video to the very end so that you will not just be playing game but you will be playing game and you are going to be earning reward. This particular method I want to show you guys is what I've tested, I've tried it, and it works for me with 100% certainty. I'm very sure that if you follow this step-by-step process, it is going to work for you as well. Right now, I'm going to head upstairs to my phone and I'm going to show you step-by-step process on how to do this. Guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do that right now, okay? So that you will encourage me more to bring more of these helpful videos and helpful tips for you to make money online. And don't forget to drop something good about this particular video. And if you are yet to turn on the notification bell, please don't forget to do so that anytime I share helpful tips like this, you will be the first person to be notified by the YouTube. So the name of the app is called Crypto Play to Earn Crypto. Alright, this app is currently available on Google Play Store, and if you are using an iPhone, you can check App Store whether the app is available on App Store, or it is certainly available on Google Play Store. Alright, so what you have to do is that you just have to press the install button, then you install the app. I've already installed the app. All what I have to do right now is just to open the app. But let's come downward, let's see the review. Alright, so this app, it has more than 11,000 reviews and up to 4.4 rated stars. Okay, so more than 500k plus download. This app is actually legit and is what I already tested, and I have made my first and second withdrawal from this particular app. Just open the app. So here is my dashboard. So let me show you my account. Okay, my account history. So here is what can you see? I've earned this. Okay, now come and check my reward history. Is loading. Okay, so I made the first withdrawal almost immediately when I downloaded the app, and I also placed the second withdrawal and it was successful. So I've already tested the app. It works for me. Definitely it will work for you as well. So I'm gonna share you the link to download this app. Alright, so when you use my link to download the app, you'll be given a welcome bonus which you can use to place your withdrawal almost immediately. So when you use my link to download the app, you'll be given the bonus, and that bonus will remain almost 1 coin before you can redeem it. And what you have to do is that you will have to unlock at least 1 game before you can place your withdrawal. And here is it now. You press this place game, continue. Okay, so here is the available games for me to download. So but when I come to your app right now, you can see now I've already downloaded 3 games from this app. But before you can place at least your first withdrawal, you must download at least 1 game. Can you see it now? You play for 12 minutes, you collect 43 coins and a lot of that. So that's the first way where you can use to make money from this app. But actually, if you don't really want to play game, there is still another alternative way of you making money from this particular app. Now another is what app tasks. Okay, so app tasks, you perform a simple task, then you get paid for that. The next one we have survey over. So this survey, you check in, you look for series of survey, you answer the surveys, then you also get reward for it. When you firstly download the app using the link I provided for you, you'll be given this 399 scratch. When you scratch it, you'll be given this. So the moment you download the app, each when you are download the new game, you'll be given the card. You scratch it, then you earn your reward. So if you want to redeem your reward, you come to this redeem. So if you prefer USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, and so on like that, you can just do that. Okay, let's say it's USDT now. So when you have at least when you have 2,900 coin, so you can just make this withdrawal of 0.3. So when you have 9,700, you can make this withdrawal of 1 USDT dollar. Alright, it's very simple and straightforward. It's very simple. And another whooping way by which you can use to make money from this app is when you come to this invite. Alright, when you invite one person, so when you get this 1,000 coin, your friend will also get money, and likewise you get 10% commissions from their earning. So when you invite person, you share your referral link. When someone gets registered with your link, you'll be given this 1,000 coin when that person download and play his or her first game. This is another way of making money from this particular app. It is very simple and straightforward. As you can see from my reward history, that I've already placed 2 different withdrawal and it landed successfully. So if you are the type that you enjoy playing game or you love the free USDC, here is another way for you to make money online. So if you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to comment. Don't forget to write something about this video on the comment section, and if you have any question bothering you, drop the question there and I am going to answer you directly.